As of now, the Theta coin cost is exchanging around $107 throughout the past week. In spite of the negative feeling, Theta Crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above $5 in 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Theta coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. On the off chance that you are searching for a Theta gauge, our inside and out examination expects to respond to your inquiries like, what is Theta organization? Is Theta a wise speculation? What is the fate of Theta? Before we start with a point-by-point Theta cost expectation, we should jump into the coin's outline. Theta organization is a cutting-edge blockchain that is centered around media and diversion. It empowers existing video and media stages to drive gradual incomes and diminish content conveyance costs by remunerating end clients for sharing their stockpiling and transfer speed on any PC, versatile, shrewd television, or ear gadget. Theta upholds Turing's finished savvy contracts and is completely viable with Ethereum, which empowers an extensive variety of intriguing Web3 applications to be based on the organization. Theta organization is a double organization comprising of two correlative subsystems, the Theta blockchain and the Theta Edge organization. The Theta blockchain gives installment, award, and shrewd agreement capacities, while the Theta Edge organization is answerable for the capacity and conveyance of media resources like pictures and recordings. Theta organization is definitely not a decentralized YouTube or Jerk. Rather, it is the hidden blockchain and decentralized capacity conveyance framework that drives the up-and-coming age of Web3 video web-based and media diversion stages. How does the Theta arrange work? Theta is a decentralized video web-based network controlled by three kinds of hubs: Endeavor Validator hubs, Gatekeeper hubs, and Edge hubs. Venture Validator hubs process exchanges, Watchman hubs confirm exchange blocks, and Edge hubs share transfer speed and handoff video transfers. Theta additionally permits engineers to assemble decentralized applications on its blockchain. Theta clients can download the Authority Theta wallet application to hold or stake Theta and tfuel tokens. Theta likewise has a micropayment framework for video web-based that permits content watchers and makers to send and get Theta. Theta utilizes a changed BFT agreement component that keeps the organization of PCS running Theta organization in a state of harmony. Both Validator and Gatekeeper hubs partake in the agreement component, adding an additional degree of safety to the convention. Validator hubs should stake at least 10,000 Theta, while Gatekeeper hubs need to stake 100,000 Theta, as it were, casting a ballot not entirely set in stone by how much Theta marked. The value journey of Theta has been created with huge cost changes. In 2018, it had quite recently begun its excursion with a cost of around $2, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020. Theta coin cost really somersaulted in the year 2021, changing the pattern from the very start to the furthest limit of the year. Theta has had a memorable excursion till mid-2021. In the wake of hitting an untouched high of $15.90 in April 2021, Theta organization crypto confronted a lofty fall, and it kept on exchanging under tremendous negative tension until April 2022. Afterward, from last May, the Theta token cost has enlisted consolidative value development to date. Notwithstanding, starting from the start of 2023, it has denoted a moderate recuperation and figured out how to exchange above $170. The ongoing cost of the Theta token is around $107. All said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting a promising way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions. At the hour of composing this Theta cost expectation, the ongoing cost of Theta was $107, and information shows that the resource cost could recuperate in the forthcoming days. The 24-hour exchanging volume has been $26,441,806, with a market cap of $107,745,357 and a circling supply of 1,000 yanis in Theta. Theta Crypto Value Expectation 2024. In light of our Theta cost expectation for 2024, it is guessed that the Theta cost can hit a limit of $0.85 and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The most minimal Theta organization cost will be around $0.75, and the typical Theta organization cost will exchange around $0.3. Theta Value Forecast 2025. 2025 could check the benchmark year at the cost of the Theta coin. It is anticipated to outperform a typical cost of $2 definitely. According to our Theta coin cost forecast 2025, the crypto may record the most exorbitant cost degree of $230, while the base value level may be around $18. Theta Token Value Expectation 2026. There is plausible that Theta organization will rise dramatically in 2026. Theta coin cost is supposed to cross a normal cost of $3.1. The greatest and least value levels may be around $3.5 and $2.7 separately, according to the Theta Cost Forecast 2026. Theta Forecast 2027. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027, as the reception of Theta will develop dramatically. The most extreme value level of Theta organization may effortlessly hit $4.7 toward the finish of 2027, according to our Theta Cost Forecast. On the drawback, it might tumble to the most reduced value level of around $3.8. Theta Value Forecast 2028. Keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that Theta is ready for a rise in 2028. The Theta coin could contact the most exorbitant cost degree of $5.8 with a typical cost of $5.3 in light of our Theta cost expectation for 2028. The base cost may be around $4.9 during the year. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029. In 2029, the normal Theta cost might raise a ruckus around town mark according to our Theta cost figure. Financial backers might procure incredible benefits in the event that they contribute brilliantly. The most extreme and least value levels may be around $6.4 and $5.6. Theta Value Forecast 2030. Theta organization cost is anticipated to reach somewhat around its past all-time high by 2030. With a typical exchanging cost of $6.5, Theta organization's base worth could come to $6.3. In light of our Theta coin cost forecast for 2030, we anticipate that the most extreme cost should be around $6.9. In light of our Theta cost estimate, a drawn-out rectification is normal. The cost expectation for long-term end is $534. Your ongoing speculation might be cheapened. Consequently, Theta can be a terrible, high-risk venture choice. According to the Theta cost expectation, the cost of Theta is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year's over 2024, Theta organization is supposed to arrive at least charge of $2.34. Moreover, the Theta cost is equipped for getting a greatest degree of $2.77. As per our profound specialized examination and Theta cost expectation, in 2024 the cost of Theta organization is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.44. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.67 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.49. Is Theta a wise speculation? An expected level of investment is generally fitting so and is a critical component here. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any misrepresented assumptions required on the off chance that you trade mindfully, facing a calculative challenge. What amount will Theta be worth in 2025?